excuse me while I slip into something more catastrophic.
I feel magical.
Hey, when you're saving the world, power gaming is a moral obligation. High traffic configuration! Don't get too close. That's the last time I'll have to do that, for sure.
As the hulking body of the Zomboss collapses, Her Majesty reappears. You have impressed Her Royal Hotness with your courage and... badassery. She will now grant you entrance to the sacred chamber that holds
The Sword of Souls!
Oh, good for you, cutie idiot.
Almighty robot policeman! How do we kill this zombie ass for good?
Give me that sword. You can't even use it right. It needs to be charged with soul energy. And that only comes from your precious queen and the souls of living things.
I can think of at least one soul nearby that needs absorbing.
Give me that sword! It's not even yours! It was the Dragon Lord's to begin with. You're just stealing from a guy because he's evil, and that's... more evil! When you think about it. Yeah! Give me the sword! Gimme! Come on! Oh! I'm gonna haunt you! You are so haunted, cutie idiot! I'm gonna live in your house! What? Not like that! No! No!
the Sword of Souls clatters to the ground. Like this. Clatter, 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 clatter.
I don't think it's going to work out between us, darling.
Pick it up, newbie!
Get that sword!